Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, looking at this on the 8 hour, we have a massive cup and handle setup. So, here's your cup, this is your handle. You could argue that it's a head and shoulders with the left shoulder in this chaos here. Head and right shoulder doesn't really matter. All that really matters is this level that we spoke about yesterday, and that's at 108557. Break and retest of that validates some structure for a move to the upside. This really does look like a rounding bottom at the moment. Bear in mind what we've been speaking about for quite some time is on the weekly, we're in a very, how do I put it, we're in a rangy zone in amongst all the moving averages on the weekly. Bullish crossover on the faster moving averages, but we're still below the 150 EMA. So until we clear that and find support, you're probably going to find ranging the order of the day. So with that, what that means for us in the lower time frames is you're looking to be in and out. You're not looking for long trading opportunities. When I say long, not long to the long upside, but holding it for a while. Damn, the terminology can get tough. Looking at the 3 hour, you can see above and below the moving averages, as I said yesterday, sitting on the side, not really wanted to get involved in this until we have some solid structure. And you can see we attempted to break through levels that we've been paying attention to. So this is the middle of the range, which we're looking for support of for a potential move to the upside. That's 108261. Did not materialize, and now we are just flirting with this. So from a logical perspective or a textbook perspective, you have this move here from the bottom of the range to just above the top of the range. Then you have this consolidation move up. And I wouldn't take it from there, I'd actually take it from here. So move up, that's 275 points. So you should have another measured move, which should just about clear $108,662. I don't think there's anything. No, but you can see how important that level is. And then I'm just going to put a couple of levels in here so you can see you don't want to be trying to second guess this. There are so many areas where you can get ambushed. Okay, so if you just take every one of these tails below 108852 and you come back to the current price action, look at the 3 hour strong move up, looks like a flag into or somewhere inside here. So that's kind of my view at the moment. 15-minute, nothing really exciting at the moment, but 108557, break retest it. You're looking for 108662 as your first target, and then you can have a multitude of targets. The upside 108705, 108764, 108817, and 108852. So massive area of resistance ahead of you. If you are going to be trading this, you want to be in on the 15 or even 5-minute charts, and you're looking for structure on a level. So in other words, you don't want to be jumping in long here. You want to wait for the break, pull back, build a base, and then look for the move up, and you want to get out at the next level. Wait for the pullback. Pullback should come back onto one of these tails from yesterday, build structure, and then a second attempt at that level, possibly break through, and then reject the next level. And so it should grind itself higher. Shorts are only really going to come into play, in my opinion anyway, when we drop below the bottom of the range, which is all the way down here at 107973. So for now, this is looking like weak dollar, strong euro, and we do have some Eurozone data, I think either today or tomorrow, but there's definitely a lot of data coming out that's going to impact the dollar and the euro. So be cautious. There's the beginning of the month, so that's typical, the beginning of the month, and that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm going to be a little bit tight-fisted with my money, and I want to see proper structure before jumping in on anything. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.